Hello friends, so welcome back. Face analyze किया था अभी थोड़ी देर पहले. Now we're going to do the actual treatment. So I'm going to show you what we're going to do. So I've got the marker pencil. So first thing, Botox for the masseters. We ask the patient to bite the teeth. दांतों को खींचिए and we can identify the masseter muscle clearly. So outline कर दीजिए. Masseter relax. Tight again. So we identify the masseter muscle. Relax. So ये हमने आइडेंटिफाई कर दिया. So जो इंजेक्शन है बोटॉक्स का दैट इज गोइंग टू बी विद इन दिस ट्रायंगल. सो नॉर्मली व्हाट आई डू इज वी आइडेंटिफाई द पॉइंट ऑफ द मैक्सिमम कॉन्ट्रैक्शन जो सबसे बड़ा पॉइंट है. Otherwise just divide it into 4 parts, 5 5 5 5. A better way of doing it is relax. जो सबसे hard point है. So as the patient clenches, what you feel as the maximum projection, give the maximum 10 units there and then 5 units. So we identify the outline of the masseter muscle. So this is the outline of the masseter muscle. The maximum projection is here. So I will give 10 units here and 5 over 2 points. 3 to 4 weeks में the masseter becomes small, Botox का effect आना शुरू हो जाता है. Then injection for the crow feet. I'm only going to do one. There is not much of crow feet here. Blade दे दो. And 1 point here. Then for the forehead wrinkles, so these are my preferred points, like it's like a ladder. So this is the way I do Botox. And now the next point I will do is mark the points for the fillers. So we'll mark the point for the chin. So we see the chin is adequately projected. इसका मतलब it is not retruded, पीछे नहीं है, इसकी projection adequate है. So मुझे chin को आगे नहीं लाना है. So अगर ऐसे ला दिया तो बहुत abnormal लगेगा. All she needs is a length. So we will inject from here and make it longer. In some patients इनको chin को आगे लाना होता है. We go like this and inject like this. So the chin becomes like this. So it takes two angles. So 45 here and 45 here. So इन दोनों angles से it creates this kind of projection. कुछ patients में they need complete front hair. उनका chin बहुत छोटा होता है. So we inject like this. So the three ways of doing it: this or straight. So today I'll be doing straight. Mark line of the chin so that जब हम injection लगाएं it is right in the center and paracentric now. Then the under eyes के लिए मैंने आपको बताया था V point. So this is the V. This is the junction. This is the V. So this is the V point. इस point पे we will do the injection and this is the best point to lift this up. In addition, क्योंकि cheeks को थोड़ा सा उठाना भी है, so we'll also inject here the filler and the maximum. ये this is the point of maximum projection of the face, the bone. So यहाँ पे करेंगे, so we'll also get a lifting effect. So one injection here, one here, and that is all that we need. Next week we will analyze. Maybe we will do a little bit here also along this line. That I will see once we have finished the. So we'll also put some filler here also. So I'll start with the. So we clean the face with the antiseptic. So this is the same antiseptic जो आप कोरोना टाइम्स में हैंड वॉशिंग के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. So this is isopropyl alcohol, which is the best disinfecting agent for the skin. Of course, alcohol की smell आती है, so people who don't drink alcohol, they find this थोड़ा सा weird. So I'm starting with Botox for the masseters. So we also use this instrument. This is a mini vibrator, and it takes away the tension and reduces the pain. Bite. So we ask the patient to bite, and then go at the maximum projection point. And so 25 units done, 10 points at the point of maximum projection and 3 more points of 5 units each to take care of the masseter muscle. Bite. So maximum projection is here. So 10 units here, 5, bite, relax, bite, 5 units and 5 units. So we have done with the masseter Botox. Now we'll do the crow feet. So 3 to 4 units here and 3 to 4 units here. Precaution, हमेशा it should be on the near the bone, so not here. It should be just 1 centimeter beyond जहाँ से bone feel होती है. So that is very important. Next, forehead. And lastly, we'll take care of the forehead wrinkles. So, and lastly, the forehead wrinkles now. So one in the center. So 3 points, which are the maximum projection points, and then just 2 more points on the sides to take care of. So if someone has more wrinkles, we can do more points. And now last point. So this is Botox, and now next we'll start with the chin filler. The chin is done from here. Chin filler के बाद there is usually some pain for 3 to 4 days because we are going to hit the bone. So bone पे जैसे needle लगती है, it doesn't hurt during the procedure, but 3 to 4 days there is some heaviness. So please remember that. So the best filler for the chin is Voluma. This is from Allergan, and that is my always. In fact, there is no option for the chin in my view. It's either Voluma or nothing. So we go straight, hit the bone, then gently just inject. Look up, and we keep injecting and withdrawing gradually. You can already see a V formation. I've injected 0.2. You can already see the V's forming. So this V has already formed. I've only injected about 0.25. Just a little bit more I will inject, and you can already see a very nice V has formed. As we increase the length of this V, this chin will start unfurling. You can see there is a folding effect here. It will keep coming out like this, and the shadow will also go away. So over a period of next week, this will stabilize, take a nice shape. It takes about 7 days for the filler to establish itself. Now the last injection for the under eyes, we'll use the same Voluma only. So we hit the bone. So injected about 0.2 ml on the bone, and we can already see this area is filled up. The dark circle in this segment will get less in about 1 week.